making Bariis, which is a Somali Pilaf style rice from my home country of Somalia. It's something that I cook whenever I'm missing my mother. The studio today smells just like my mother's living room and kitchen, so this is really exciting for me. As you know, Pilaf basically just means the technique in which we'll be cooking our rice. I'm going to be doing my aromatics first. So here I've got a red onion. I just cook this until it's soft for about 5 minutes. And from here, I'm going to add just a stick of cinnamon, a few cloves. They go a long way. So if you're like me and love cloves, feel free to add more. I'll let this come together until it's fragrant, which is for about another 5 minutes. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to I put our tomatoes in. I'm combining everything together. I have garlic, tomatoes, a pinch of salt that I'm going to put in right now. There we go. So I'm going to let all of this come together. And you know what? Another thing that I've learned from my mother, and which a lot of Somali people use, is that no matter what, we do not skip the process of cleaning our rice. We love to have our rice fluffy at the end, and a trick to doing that is pouring a few cups of cold water until the water runs clear, and then you'll save your rice and put it on the side. I'm going to go ahead and throw a rice in here, and this is where the Pilaf style technique comes in. You just want to coat your rice in all of our aromatics. There.
You're toasting the rice.
You are. You
and
want it to be
mixing it with all that flavor and allowing the rice to get a little bit of its own aroma and its own groove on.
This is going to be almost nutty. It's going to be nutty tasting at this stage. And you really want to stretch that flavor by just continuing to coat like this.
Beautiful.
So here's all of our rice coated, right? And another thing that we do at our family home is instead of just using regular water, we boil our water and then we add it into our rice.
Nice.
So our rice is done. It's been sitting for about 10 minutes. I do that so that the moisture can distribute evenly. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fluff our rice with a fork. So as you can see, it's...
Yes! Fluff it up, people.
Right?
And, yeah, right. But look how really light and every single grain is separated.
Yep.
Look how pretty that is. It's just beautiful. You can smell it through the camera. Thank you for sharing your beautiful recipe. That rice I can smell through the screen. As I have said and waxed on about, I love this book. I can feel the recipes in this book.
Yeah.
Thank you, Hawa.
Thank you, Rachel.
Really special.
Thank you.